Top 5 smart notebooks to replace paper for good.
Smart notebooks combine traditional handwriting with digital convenience, making it easy to store, organize, and share your notes. In this list, discover 5 standout options that can transform the way you work and study, helping you say goodbye to paper clutter for good.
1. Rocketbook Core.
The Rocketbook Core stands out for its reusable pages and cloud integration. Write notes using any Pilot Friction pen, scan them with the Rocketbook app, then erase the pages with a damp cloth. Your handwritten notes are stored digitally in popular services like Google Drive or Dropbox, making organization effortless.
2. Elfinbook Smart Reusable Notebook.
Elfinbook offers a durable, waterproof notebook with erasable pages that can be wiped clean using a damp cloth or microwaved when full. Notes can be digitized quickly through its dedicated app, allowing you to organize, search, and share notes on the go. It's ideal for students and professionals alike.
3. Moleskine Smart Writing Set.
The Moleskine Smart Writing Set brings luxury and technology together. Write on real paper with the special pen and your notes instantly appear digitized on your device via Bluetooth. The companion app offers robust editing, organization, and cloud syncing, perfect for those who appreciate classic design with digital functionality.
4. Wacom Bamboo Slate.
Wacom Bamboo Slate lets you write or draw naturally on paper placed on its smart pad, capturing every stroke digitally. With Bluetooth connectivity and the Inkspace app, your handwritten notes and sketches are automatically saved and can be converted to text. It's great for artists and note-takers who want a seamless analog-to-digital workflow.
5. Boogie Board Blackboard.
Boogie Board Blackboard uses liquid crystal technology for a paper-like writing experience. Its semi-transparent surface allows you to use templates and save multiple pages digitally via the Blackboard app. Erase instantly at the touch of a button, making it a convenient choice for fast note-taking and frequent edits.
Choosing the right smart notebook.
When selecting a smart notebook, consider your note-taking habits, preferred writing feel, and digital storage needs. Each option on this list offers unique features, whether it's instant cloud backup, conventional paper feel, or sketching support. Explore these choices and find the one that best fits your workflow so you can finally replace paper for good.